Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to install Firefox browser on your computer. So guys, the first thing that you have to do of course is go to any other browser that you have on your PC. So for instance, here I am, for the sake of this video, on Google Chrome. Now when you open it, all you need to do of course is go and type in Firefox. So I'm going to type in Firefox and click enter. Then when you click there, you will of course have the option to go and click on the Get Firefox on Desktop. So we have the website here, as you can see, mozilla.org. And here at the moment, just so you know, I have the browser already on my PC, so I cannot download it. But as you can see, get the browser that protects what's important, no shady privacy policies or backdoors for advertisers, just a lightning fast browser that doesn't sell you out. You have the download button. You just need to go and click on download Mozilla, and you should, as you can see, it will be downloaded here. As you can see, I have it downloaded here. I'll of course just cancel it, but you will have it download there. Then when you just go and download it, you just need to click on it, click run, and then you will have the option to of course make the app, get the app to make the changes. It will start installing like this, and then when it installs, you will have your Mozilla Firefox browser. So as you can see, it's now installing. When it ends, you will have the browser installed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.